On May 19, 2026, the Arena2 token, known as ATWO, became a flashpoint in the crypto market after launching on 7 major exchanges in a single day. KuCoin, MEXC, HTX, KCEX, BingX, Bitmart, and Uniswap all listed ATWO simultaneously, which initially appeared to be a major event. The token opened at 25 cents on May 18, but within hours, it plummeted to an all-time low of 0.01456, a drop of over 93%. By the time of the report, it had recovered slightly to 0.01706. The rapid decline was driven by heavy selling pressure, particularly from early holders and insiders who claimed airdrop tokens and sold them quickly. The volume of these sales overwhelmed new buyers, leading to a sharp price collapse. The token's sudden volatility raised questions about the sustainability of its market structure. The widespread listing was intended to generate momentum, but instead, it exposed a lack of liquidity and buyer interest. The price crash suggests that the market for ATWO was not ready to absorb the influx of new supply, and the token's fundamentals may not yet support a stable price. This kind of scenario is not uncommon in the crypto space, where speculative hype can quickly give way to bearish sentiment. BingX, one of the exchanges that listed ATWO, responded by launching a listing carnival to engage the community. The event, which ran, "Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now." From May 18 to May 25, offered a prize pool of 430,000 ATWO tokens. While such promotions can help attract attention and drive short-term interest, they do not guarantee long-term price stability. The effectiveness of this strategy remains to be seen, but it is a common tactic used by exchanges to support newly listed tokens. The broader question now is whether a listing on Binance could help reverse ATWO's downward trend. Binance is the largest crypto exchange by trading volume, and a listing there could significantly increase the token's visibility and liquidity. However, no official confirmation has been made, and the market is waiting for any signals that might indicate a potential listing. In the short term, if a Binance listing is rumored or confirmed, the token could see a bounce toward the $0.15 range. This would represent a meaningful recovery from its current level, but it is far from guaranteed. The token's performance will depend on several factors, including whether new buyers step in to absorb the selling pressure, whether more exchanges decide to list ATWO, and whether the project itself can provide a compelling narrative to attract long-term holders. The current price is still in recovery territory, and any sustained movement upward would require a shift in market sentiment. One key signal to watch is the outcome of BingX's listing carnival. If the event successfully drives engagement and increases token demand, it could provide a much-needed boost to ATWO's price. However, if the carnival fails to generate significant interest, it may reinforce the perception that the token lacks strong fundamentals. In the medium term, the token's ability to maintain a stable price will depend on the balance between supply and demand. If the selling pressure subsides and more buyers enter the market, the token could stabilize at a higher level. Conversely, if the selling continues and no new buyers emerge, the price could continue to decline. The long-term outlook for ATWO remains uncertain. The token's success will depend on the strength of the underlying project, the level. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Of adoption and the overall health of the broader crypto market. At this stage, the token is still in an early phase of development, and its future will be shaped by a combination of market forces and project-specific factors. In the coming weeks and months, investors and traders will be closely watching for any signs of a turnaround. A potential Binance listing could be a major catalyst, but until then, the market remains cautious. The token's performance will be a test of its resilience and the strength of its community. As with any new token launch, the initial price movement is just the beginning, and the true test will come in the months ahead.